In emerging economies, millions of people sign legally binding documents that they cannot fully read or understand. Complex legal language hides unfair clauses in employment contracts, property deeds, and agreements, and legal help is often too expensive. So, this gap between signing and understanding is what we call the signature gap. Our Signature Gap is an AI assisted legal literacy platform that helps everyday users understand what they're signing before they sign it. It does not replace a lawyer in any way. Instead, it explains legal documents in simple and accessible language. So let me quickly show you how it works. The user logs in and uploads a legal document. So for example, an employment document. So before analysis, we allow the user to mask personal information such as names or ID numbers in order to protect their privacy. So document is then analyzed. A system extracts the text and checks it for potentially risky clauses. So here we see the analyzed result. So the platform shows an overall risk level, a plain language summary, and highlights clauses that need attention. So for example, this document contains a forced employment bond, a large financial penalty for resignation, and one-sided termination rights. So each flag clause is explained in simple terms and mapped to relevant legal principles so users understand why it actually matters. So Signature Gap is designed as an educational tool, not legal advice. It empowers workers, students, and vulnerable communities to make informed decisions. So by improving legal literacy, we help reduce exploitation and increase fairness, starting with something as simple as understanding a document. So Signature Gap doesn't tell people what to sign. It gives them the power to understand before they do it. Thank you.